Hey guys, it's Hallie, and if you're new to my channel, hey guys, I'm Hallie. One of my most popular videos on my channel is my cover of Dean Lewis's songs Waves. A lot of people commented on that video asking what chords I play and what strumming pattern I use, and also what website I use to find the chords. So first of all, the website I use is Ultimate Guitar. I use that for guitar chords, ukulele chords and piano chords because all the chords are the same. Just some of them have a capo, so I'll use a capo for guitar. If possible, I'll transpose it down for ukulele, or transpose it up so I don't need to use a capo. So then it will be different chords, but I can use a capo on ukulele, I have one down there. And also on my keyboard I can transpose that. So I use that for all of them. So the chords are the exact same for all of them. A lot of people search up ukulele chords. It doesn't matter what instrument they're for, they are all the same. I don't know if it's different for woodwind instruments. I know for ukulele, guitar and piano it's all the same. So I use that for all of my songs. I find it most reliable because a lot of musicians do actually use that website. But any day people can go and write a chord chart on there, but it gets approved by people who are high up in music. Yes. But lots of people just do it by ear and then write out chord charts for a song. And you can comment saying that what's any ways to improve it or not. On there you can also rate songs. I usually use the one that has the most ratings or the one that has the second most ratings, sometimes the third most ratings. I play the song and I listen to which one I prefer and which one I find easiest because some of them are a lot of bar chords which I can't play. For this song I'm doing ukulele. It is a sad song but I like playing it on ukulele. I just like the sound of it a lot better on guitar, on ukulele than guitar. If you watch my covers you would see that I look down a lot. It's because I use the chords from Ultimate Guitar and then I I put them onto a Word document and print out it so I know which chords to play when I sing what. This cover I did in July last year. I haven't actually played the song in a little while, but I'm gonna teach you how to play it. The song it follows the same 4 chords but they go in different orders, and for it I did my own thing. I don't watch other people. Sometimes I will watch other people and see how they play it, but usually I just interpret however I like the song to sound. I do this thing that I call strum pick, where you strum and then you pick the last 2 notes. So say for the intro it'll be the chords are G, B minor, D and A. So you play G on ukulele, which is ding, 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 ding. How am I going to describe this? I don't know. You put your first finger on the 3rd string on the 2nd fret, your second finger on the 1st string on the 2nd fret, and your 3rd finger on the 3rd string on the 2nd fret. No, on the 2nd string on the 3rd fret. That one. Then you play B minor. It's kind of like a bar chord on guitar. So you put your first finger and your second finger over over the 2nd fret, but you use your second finger to push that down more, and then you use your 3rd finger on the 4th string on the 4th fret, which is B minor, and then D is your first 3 fingers on the last 3 strings. So it's the 4th string, the 3rd string and the 2nd string. The 1st string is open. For A you have your first finger on the 3rd string on the 1st fret, and you have your second finger on the 4th string on the 2nd fret. For the first part of the verse it stays the same as the intro. So the first verse is in 2 different parts. So the first part is G, B minor, D and A, and you do your strum picks. So it's that for the second part of the verse, it changes. So it's G, A, B, and then D. So the A gets moved from the end to the second. There is a light in the dark, and I feel its warmth in my hands, in my heart. Then the last line of the song, it's different. So it's, why can't I hold on? So it's E minor, which is, so you actually use 5 chords. Your first finger is on the first string on the second fret, your second finger is on the second string on the third fret, and your third finger is on the third string on the fourth fret. Wow, this is really difficult. And it's like, then you strum, so down, down, up, down, down, up, down. So it's E minor, D, A. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Why can't I hold on? And then you go back to the strum picks. And the chords are B minor, G, D, and then A. So there's a bit of a change up there. A comes and goes in waves. It always does. It always does. I couldn't even do that in the cover. Each day is a young heart's fate into the flight. And now for the chorus, the strumming pattern is down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So the chords are G, A, B minor, D. The second line of the chorus, it's a little different, but it still follows the same thing. So it's G, A, B minor, D, A, G. So you go down, down, up, down, down, up. So it's just a little bit faster for the second part. It's the freedom, the falling, the feeling of the myself, the storm slips through, and then it goes back to normal. Trying hard to let go. But then the second part of the chorus, it changes to here comes the thousand waves. So it's D minor, D, A for 2. And then for the last part, one strum for it carries us away. The freedom, the falling, the feeling of the same, the storm slips through my fingers, trying hard to let go, and it comes and goes in waves. It comes and goes in waves. It carries us away. So on carries, you play the A. Verse 2 is the same as the start of verse 1. So you do your little strum picks. B minor, D, A, and then it continues. G, B minor, D, and A. Pre-chorus is the exact same as the last chorus, so it's B minor, G, D, A, B minor, G, D, A, B minor, G, D, A, and B minor, G, D, A, and then next page, it's the same chorus as before. G, A, B minor, D, A, G, A, B minor, D, E minor, D, And it's the exact same strumming pattern as it is for the chorus, but the chords are G, B minor, A, and then D. So it's I watch my world, you disappear in front of my eyes. Moments of magic and wonder seem so hard to find. Is it ever coming back again? Is it ever coming back again? Take me back to the feeling when everything was left behind. So that part in the line, is it ever coming back again? I feel like it maybe is it ever coming back again? But I don't know. Do not quote me on that because I do not know if that is right. I scribbled the A out when I did the cover back in July last year. And then for the pre-chorus, after the bridge, you sort of bring the entire song down a bit. So you play B minor, G, and then for the last line, it's it comes and goes in waves, it always starts, it always does. So for it, you play the strum pick for the first line of it, so B minor, G, D, and then after that, on the A, you start to, so from this, you start to go like that, instead of, but you still do it in the same way, you're just strumming with your fingernail. B minor, G, D, A, B minor, G, for the last two chords, you do it as much as you want, full out as you want, and then it goes back to the chorus. G, A minor, B, D, A, G, A, B minor, D, B minor, D, A, B minor, no, E minor, not B minor, D, for the last line, it's no chords, so it's the freedom, the falling, the feeling of progress, slips through my fingers, trying hard to let go. It comes and goes in waves. It comes and goes in waves. Carries us away. And that's the end of the song. I'll just put this in the link of the description so you can follow along there. And yeah, you're done. That's all you need to know. This song is like a little difficult to follow because the chords change a lot throughout it, but I love this song so much. It's such a good song. I hope you guys enjoyed and you learnt something. How to play Waves, hopefully, by Dean Lewis on ukulele. You can play it the exact same way on guitar. I am great at explaining. If you have any other requests of songs that you would like to learn that I've done a cover of, feel free to comment them down below and I'll see what I can do. But I just use ultimate guitar, so all the chords are there. It's good. Bye guys!